pulled up to the car wash shit. I'm saying, I got a couple machines out here. Ain't nothing going on over there. I want to see them how. Got a few machines out here, man. That is scary. Why, but that hoe clean too. Some more shit, man. This whole block lit right now. I'm trying to keep my composure. It's hot than a bitch. I ain't trying to be outside walking around too long. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got some more shit, another scatty pack right there. I'm trying to get in traffic though, man. This shit cool, we kicking it. A Mustang. I don't know if y'all can see down there, but shit. Yeah. Boy shining. Shit, but as soon as we get in traffic, I'm finna act the ass. I ain't even see bro pull up. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what we on when we get back in traffic, man. Right now we just cooling it. Fuck with the channel. Follow me, No Limit Jalen, YouTube, Instagram, all that shit. Yeah, and we got this shit on today, as you can see. News and wild on the shorts, man. Yeah, them boys getting active. Come on, man. If you don't break them off. Oh, where they going? Type shit. I guess we got some. They got a few machines out here. A bitches in this house. We really trying to see machines though. I'm hot in the house. I mean, you know, faded. It's all looking cold. Yeah, it's scary. I'm talking about it's a lot of niggas that popped out to this house. But ain't nobody talk about sliding shit. Cat, Bean, Cat. Oh, that's that boy. Okay. Yeah, them folks outside now. Who gonna hop in the pit? Who in the pit? Let me go ask folks over here. Y'all gonna hop in the pit, man?
I gotta go hit the top. I gotta swap. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. You might as well go do it right now, bro. You might as well go do it right now.
You ain't got shit on the back right now? Do it right here.
don't know you, bro. You can't ride with me.
Goddamn nigga wanna see him on the sale, I'm still on the down. Wish I could tell Billy we ain't live with no pussy, this shit on the floor when you get out. On the side could've been trying to my shit, like I ain't even wanna take it down. Nigga, I'm on the side of my grandma's house, 223 with 100 rounds. Tires. What the hell, get ground? Straight up.
Yeah, we can start running always.
Give me that, so give me that.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with y'all niggas, man. Shit, so what's good with it, man? JC, man. What's good with it, broski? JC.
Pushing that man about
Yeah. I still got some more work to do. I'm gonna keep up. But nah, man, they got this shit out here. Come on now. Boys out here in that shit, man. Really? Oh, yeah. Bro, flaming that hoe. Bro, flaming that hoe. But really, who I had raced, bro? I think I raced that blue Charger and that green Challenger. If that Charger, that cat, I think the hoe does it. I don't even think the hoe does it. I know that hoe does it. If that's the cat, I don't know which one it is because there's so many fucking cars out here. There's a lot of cars out here, bro. Types of shit, man. We getting active tonight. It's hoping live than the bitch though, cause niggas in the car driving they shit. I ain't gonna lie. My bad, YouTube. But yeah, niggas in they house driving they shit. Usually niggas don't be driving they shit at these little meets, man. Them hoes be boring. I be ready to leave, but this hoe turned up, man. This hoe lit all over this hoe, naturally. Shit. Catch up with y'all when I got some more action, man. Clean ass 5-0, man. Make you think you back in the 90s. Street runners, man. Trans Am. Damn, boy. Damn. Do I feel left out, bro? But honestly, I ain't trying to wait in this long ass line, man. Just to be nowhere. So I'ma be cool. Finna go check on my truck. Know what I'm saying? Everything hunted, know what I'm saying? As soon as I can find that bitch. Oh yeah. Hey, 4D in the car set. Popping that motherfucker. That hoe full of glitter too. Popping that bitch. Oh, clean that Mustang. Oh, that's the. I think that's that blue Shelby, blue something. I ain't gonna lie, this hoe hard, but I seen this hoe somewhere. I don't know what. Hey, what the fuck? Hey, that's hard. That's different. I ain't never seen no shit like this. That's different, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey man, Cam from the Wood, bro. Subscribe to my channel, KAMFRMGAWOOD, man.
Hey man.
Hey, appreciate the love and support. Shout out to my boy Jay. You know what I'm saying?
Shit show, man. We out here
Shout
getting all
yourself
this
out,
shit,
bro.
man.
Shout yourself out, bro.
Hey man, no limit Jalen on you.
Hey, on me, bro.
Hey,
That's it. We
hey,
working, bro.
we giving straight motivation
Every
on the
day,
channel, man.
yeah.
Straight motivation on the
motivation,
channel.
bro. God.
Check it where they at, man. We Los Vatos Locos, man. Pop that bitch. Pop that bitch. Now he going dumb. Bro going dumb in the sleep. With the kids in the back. This house coolin'. This that 426 Elephant. I done found that hoe, man. Look, you see the sparkle all in that hoe. I ain't gonna lie, that was playing that night. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think bro seen I believe bro boss not even boss that hoe. I believe bro won this hoe in a raffle though. That's the crazy thing about this bitch. If bro won this hoe in a raffle, if I'm right about that, hey, that's crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Shit, this a bad motherfucker. Stroke it already. Elephant engine. Elephant Chrysler. I ain't gonna lie, you lucky if you want that bitch, but I don't ever enter no raffle. Look at check buddy out. I don't ever enter no raffle, but this bag sparkling clean, man. It ain't like no Galaxy, it's a little black sparkle. That shit clean. Look at that, man. Let's go another 300 cash. With the glass engine on that hoe. I ain't gonna lie. I need to find me a red eye. Nah, I need to find me a demon hood. That's what I want to order. A demon hood. Once I put these down, once I do the models I'm finna do, check buddy out. Right, that shit pop. Once I do these models that I want to do, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get that demon hood. Yeah, man. If it ain't no another spot, man, I'm finna go ahead and wrap it up my damn self. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next YouTube video, man. Hold on, let's get one more. Let's get one more. Let's get one more here, then. This a better one right here. Hold on. This gonna be the best one. Call it, call it. That don't working, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, that hoe working, I ain't gonna lie. That hoe working, boy. You got an Instagram? Bet. Hey, check buddy out, bro. Ooh. Hey, we outside making noise, man. What business? It's the night. Alright, man. That's gonna be it for the video, man. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Hey, this hoe was a good video, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cars was outside today, man. Including this one.